Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Greater Portmore Health Center expansion. Now the government is going to be spending $10 billion to improve on the health services in St. Catherine. Now one other project is the expansion of the Greater Portmore Health Center. And they're going to be spending 660 million on this expansion. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The Greater Portmore Health Center in St. Catherine is being upgraded to a Type 5 facility with state-of-the-art features to enhance healthcare delivery to residents. Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. the Honorable Christopher Tufton, signed the 660 million contract and broke ground for the expansion works. The project is being undertaken as part of a $10 billion investment by the government in the development of health infrastructure across the parish under the Health System Strengthening Program. The program is a collaborative effort supported by international partners including the Inter-American Development Bank and European Union. Dr. Tufton said that the Greater Portmore Health Center expansion project will be a game changer in primary health care delivery. It will provide dedicated spaces for X-ray, oral rehydration, laboratory, isolation, asthma treatment, diabetic retinopathy, among other specialty treatment areas. It will also include an administrative department with office spaces, training areas, a conference room, staff lounge, nurses station, and lunchrooms. The contract sum entails construction cost and equipment installation upon completion. Dr. Tufton said that the project is an investment in the people of Portmore. We must ensure that we give all the critical support to ensure that the project is successful because ultimately it is being spent for this community, he noted. He said that the project was designed to ensure a more comfortable working environment for the health staff. Doctors, nurses, and support staff have to be more comfortable in their environment. We expect a greater level of productivity, that more patients will be seen in a shorter space of time, Dr. Tufton said. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.